Hi, it's Shania, and we're going to deep dive into 2 questions around dynamic containment low. 1. How are prices set in dynamic containment low? And 2. Why does wholesale now set the price in the market? In an unsaturated auction, there is almost no competitive pressure on prices, so prices tend to increase towards the maximum amount that National Grid ESO will pay. However, in a saturated and competitive market, prices drop, but only to the lowest price that providers are willing to be paid for the service. We can see in this chart that saturation has had a huge impact on prices since June 2022. It can cost a battery between 50p to £1.50 per megawatt per hour to participate in the dynamic containment low service. However, prices in the dynamic containment low market are higher than this. This is because the amount a battery can earn in other services is now the most important factor in setting the price. This is known as the opportunity cost. The wholesale market is the bigger other market for setting the dynamic containment low price, and there are 2 reasons for this. Number 1, bidding can be done at day ahead in line with the timings of frequency response bidding. A battery operator can retrade the wholesale position if the battery wins a frequency response contract. Number 2, wholesale is a big market and the most forecastable of the revenue streams. So it gives battery operators something predictable to price the dynamic containment low service against. So that's how the price is being set in dynamic containment low at the moment. For more on the different strategies that optimizers are taking and who sets the price in the service most often, take a look at the full article below.